Hello Sanbonani, my name is CBO. Thank you so much for coming through to watch my video. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius or 300 Fahrenheit. Put sugar in a pan, add water. Do not stir nor touch it. As it cooks, brush the sides of the pan with cold water to avoid crystallization. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Once the sugar starts browning, swirl the pan as shown in the video. Brush, brush, brush. From here, move swiftly because the sugar burns and cools rapidly. You may wait for the sugar to caramelize even a little more if you like. Pour the caramel into ramekins and let it cool down. Check how fast the caramel hardened. On the ramekin, I didn't pour enough. Set the ramekins aside. Now let's begin making custard. Place softened cream cheese in a bowl and whisk it until fluffy. Add eggs, one at a time, whisking in between and collecting from the sides. I would like to ask you for a favor, that you please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and press the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Add vanilla extract or essence and mix. Whenever we mix, we stop and collect from the sides and mix again. Put the custard through a sieve so it smoothens once cooked. Fill all the ramekins with custard and put them in a baking pan. Pour boiling water into a baking pan until halfway up the ramekins, then bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Take the ramekins out of the water, cool them on a cooling rack at room temperature, then put them in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Then serve. I would like to ask you to press the like button and leave a comment below to add value to this video. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.